Hi everybody, this is Mike K9KMV, just arriving at the park to do Parks on the Air activation, and I just pulled into my favourite little spot, and I see a Wolf River coil on top of a vehicle, so I'm going to have to go check this out and see who it is, who's crashing my party. Okay guys, so we just got to the park, and as I pulled in, I noticed another car was parked here with an antenna on the roof. And it's a friend of mine, Tim, KD9LAI, is here setting up, doing some FT8 work from inside his car. So that was kind of a nice surprise. And then I just got up here. The picnic tables have been moved around a little bit. They've cut some of the trees down from when I was here last time. But there is a picnic table way off over there. And we're going to go and set up the ICOM IC-705 and pair that with the AL-705 loop and see if we can get a few contacts. Okay, so here's the backpack with the radio in there. Got an HT strapped or attached to the side there as well, but we'll get the loop out. So if you can see in here, I've got the loop and the coax for it, and then also in the back is a very small one of the cheap Amazon Miyadi, I don't know how to say that, but there's a 6 amp hour LiFePO for battery in there as well that will power up the 705, which is up here in the backpack there as well. So I'm just going to get these things set up, and we'll see if we can get some contacts. Okay, so I got things set up. I've got the loop set up here on the picnic table here at the park, and the 705 is running. One thing that is kind of disappointing is that with the loop, if you can see on there, it doesn't have the tuning knob on there the way it should. So this piece here, so it just kind of spins around by itself. So the only way I can actually tune the loop right now is by taking this off and then using the knob that's sticking out there. It's not the prettiest thing. I can still get it to tune, but I thought when it was on there that it was actually on there and attached. Well, it's not until I come to actually use it out here in the field that I realised that it's not sealing properly, or something's not right with it. I just wanted to pause the video here real quick. So as soon as I got home, I actually emailed Alpha Antenna, their customer service, and they replied back almost immediately. I was very impressed. I explained the problem. It was a guy called Steve. He told me that it was no problem, that he would just send me a replacement part, which he did. I think it was the next day I got shipping confirmation, and then the new part arrived. It was like 2 days after that. So just within a few days, I received the replacement part, and that worked absolutely fine. So great customer service from Steve at Alpha Antenna. Thank you.
November Papa calling from Kilo 1012 Marine Hill State Park in Illinois, calling CQ for Parks on the Air, CQ for Parks on the Air, Whiskey 1 November Papa, yours that?
Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, park to park.
Is there a park to park in there?
Roger, Roger, Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor.
Can you give it to me a couple times, please?
Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, Kilo Mexico Victoria.
Sorry, can we try one more time, please?
Yeah, Roger, it's Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, Kilo Mexico Victoria, Kilo Mike Victor, over.
Is it Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victoria?
QSL, QSL, QSL.
Roger, Roger. I put you about a 5-3 into park. Kilo 1012 QSL.
Roger, Roger, Roger. I am also in Kilo 1012. I am also in 1012. We must be pretty close, over.
Roger, Roger. What is your park number again, please?
We are in the same park. We are in the same park. I'm in 1012 also. 1012, over.
Okay, roger that. I was getting a little confused there. I was getting very confused there. So very interesting that we're in the same park. How have you been making out?
You are my first contact. I only set up about 10 minutes ago.
Roger, Roger. I've been going for about 5 minutes and got about 3 contacts, including you, QSL.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. I'm just running QRP with the loop, with the magnetic loop, on a IC-705, and I haven't tuned the loop in very well yet. So anyway, I wish you all the best, and good luck with the activation. Thanks for the park to park.
Roger, Roger. Thank you too, and best of luck to you. QRZ.
Well, that's pretty funny. I found somebody that's operating in the same park as me. So if you add that to having randomly met Tim, KD9 LAI, in this parking lot as well at the same park, there's 3 of us all activating the same park, which is quite unusual, I think.
CQ, Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ, parks on the air. Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ, parks on the air, QRZ. CQ, Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ, parks on the air. Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ, parks on the air, QRZ.
CQ parks on the air. Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ parks on the air, QRZ. CQ parks on the air. Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ parks on the air, QRZ. Okay, it's pretty atrocious here right now in terms of getting any contact, so I'm going to move up to 20 meters and see what I can do there. Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, check in the frequency. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor. CQ parks on the air. Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ parks on the air. Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ parks on the air, QRZ. CQ parks on the air. Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, QRZ.
November 3 X-ray Lima Sierra.
November 3 X-ray Lima Sierra. Thanks for coming back to the call. You're 5 and 7 in park number Kilo 1012, over.
Roger, 4444 Pennsylvania.
Roger, thanks for Pennsylvania, and have a great afternoon. QRZ, Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor. CQ parks on the air. Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ parks on the air, QRZ.
CQ, Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ, parks on the air. Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, calling CQ, parks on the air, QRZ. Call CQ parks on the air. Call CQ parks on the air. Kilo November 4, November, India, Quebec.
Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, park to park, park to park.
There's no sunshine up there in the Finger Lakes region in New York State, and I'm originally from western New York, so I know what the weather's like up there, but
Alright guys, well I've been here for about an hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours, made very few contacts, so I'm going to pack up now. Made a couple of contacts, one very local one, actually another park activator here at the same park, so very close. And then I made another contact. I switched bands and went to 40 meters, went to 20 meters and made a contact with a station in Pennsylvania. And I thought things were looking up when that happened, but that was the only one. So I'm gonna pack up. So I wish everybody 7-3. Thanks for watching. And there's Elsa being so good and so patient. And we're going to go for a walk now. Alright, so now it's Elsa's turn to have a little bit of fun. She was very patient, waiting for me to get all my radio stuff done. So now she can spend some time. We'll go for a little walk and then we'll be heading home. So we had a walk afterwards. Elsa had a little bit of fun as well. She was really good today, very patient while I was working on the radio. So she deserved to have a nice walk afterwards. And now we're going to get home and have something to eat. So thanks for watching everybody, 7-3. The unlucky ham strikes again. Catch you later, bye.